Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. So this is the test version of the final product. It's now completed and uploaded to Etsy, but this is Big Rat from Joe90. I'll just quickly go through the bits and bobs. So we've got the top dome, which is ever so slightly different on the final model, but you know, you're gonna get similar to this, but there's not round balls with a black line in between. They are lights, twinkling lights on the top actually. You've got the base, it's just the base here, and then you've got the bottom cone which fits onto the base. If I can get that working. It's really difficult to do this stuff one-handed. Okay, so that fits on there like so, and then you've got this. It's rotating. Now I'm not going to be able to show you this. Oh yes I can. There you go. It rotates. It's opening up. Trying to show you. There we go. So that opens up, which allows the this black block to fit in there. I'm not going to even try and do that. This obviously all gets glued together, and then the dome fits on the top like such, and then you get the little bobble, whatever it is, and that's it so far, as you can see. And then on the front of the black piece comes the piece de resistance, which is the computer front panel. And as you can see, I'll just focus in there. As you can see there, this is the computer front panel. Now this is printed at 55% of the final, so it would be much bigger. But as you can see, the detail in here of Big Rat, and that fits into the hole like this and inserts in and out, and allows this portion, the front portion, to rotate and close it off. So there you go. That is the final Big Rat. I hope you like it, and if you do like it, it's available on Etsy. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell your friends about it. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Thanks for stopping by.